What I am really excited about Apple Pencil 2 is that now I can finally have my digital planner. I am currently using Note for digital planner. You can import any planners or PDFs in this format and you can download it for free in App Store. Note offers so many colors to choose from, and you may also choose the thickness or thinness of the stroke of your pencil. Notes also have so many grid papers to choose from. Note has 3 different strokes for the pencil. One is like a crayon, the other one is for highlighting, and the third one is for the ordinary pencil stroke. What I also really like about Note is that I can choose any objects I want and then copy and paste it. Picsart is a very nice platform to cartoonize any images you wanted. Here I will show you how to cartoonize an image using Picsart. First is to click Draw. Choose the size of the pencil or thickness of the pencil you wanted. This will serve as the border of the image. First is that you trace all the outline of the image you wanted to cartoonize. Go over all the simple details you wanted to emphasize on the image. Once you have outlined the picture, you may now start a new page. This is important so that you cannot repeat the outlining process again. By adding another layer to the picture, you can never erase or delete the outline you just made. So now you may start the shading part. Choose the thickness of the stroke you want for the pencil, and then choose the color of the shading. You may add as many layers as you want for each sections you wanted to shade. This way, we can avoid overlapping of shading in every part. If you have trouble tracing the image, you may remove the background. This way, all the unshaded parts will be seen. After shading every part of the image, you may add a background. That's how I cartoonize myself in picsart. Thank you for watching.